Thinking about buying a camera drone? Please watch this video until the end, because today I'm revealing the top 5 best camera drones of 2026, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which drone is the best overall for your money. Whether you're a beginner, content creator, traveler, or aerial photography enthusiast, this list is carefully researched to help you choose the right drone without falling for marketing hype. I'll cover real-world performance, key features, and the biggest advantages of each model. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Ruko F11 Pro 2 Drone. The Ruko F11 Pro 2 is a beginner-friendly camera drone that offers an impressive combination of flight time, stability, and easy controls. It features a 6K camera, a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer, up to 70 minutes of total flight time with 2 batteries, and intelligent GPS flight functions, including auto return. Review highlights. This drone is an excellent choice for first-time pilots who want smooth aerial footage without a steep learning curve. GPS stabilization, reliable hovering, and beginner-friendly controls make it easy to capture quality videos and photos with confidence. Pros: 6K camera with stabilized footage, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, up to 70 minutes of flight time, GPS auto return for safer flying, great option for beginners. Number 4. Holystone HS790 Drone. The HS790 delivers premium features at a competitive price. It combines 6K photo capability, 4K video recording, a 3-axis brushless gimbal, up to 60 minutes of total flight time, AI night shot, and an impressive 30,000-foot transmission range. Review highlights. This drone delivers stable video even during windy conditions and offers intelligent flight modes that help users capture cinematic footage with minimal effort. It's a strong choice for hobbyists looking to step up their aerial photography. Pros: 6K photos and stabilized 4K video, long transmission distance, AI night shot support, GPS intelligent flight modes, beginner-friendly operation. Number 3. Bwine F7 GB2 Pro Drone. The F7 GB2 Pro is designed for users who prioritize long flight sessions and reliable GPS performance. It features a 4K UHD camera, a 3-axis gimbal, an impressive 75 minutes of total flight time with 3 batteries, and intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Orbit, and Waypoint. Review highlights. This drone offers smooth, stabilized footage and excellent battery life, making it ideal for vacations, outdoor adventures, and extended filming sessions. The GPS features also provide dependable flight safety and easier navigation. Pros: stable 4K UHD video recording, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, up to 75 minutes of total flight time, Follow Me, Orbit, and Waypoint modes, reliable GPS performance. Number 2. Potensic Atom 2 Fly More Combo. The Potensic Atom 2 Fly More Combo is one of the most impressive lightweight drones available. Weighing under 249 grams, it features 4K video, 8K photo capture, a 3-axis gimbal, 10 km video transmission, AI tracking, AI night shot, and up to 96 minutes of total flight time with the Fly More combo. Review highlights. This drone delivers exceptional image quality, excellent stabilization, and intelligent AI features normally found on much more expensive models. Its lightweight design also makes it easier to travel with and avoids registration requirements in many regions. Pros: 4K video and stunning 8K photos, under 249 grams lightweight design, up to 96 minutes of total flight time, AI track and AI night shot, 10 km transmission range, excellent value for creators. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo. The DJI Mini 3 Fly More earns the number 1 spot thanks to its outstanding balance of camera quality, intelligent flight features, reliability, and overall user experience. It features 4K HDR video, a high-quality camera with vertical shooting support, up to 114 minutes of combined flight time with 3 batteries, and DJI's industry-leading 10 km video transmission system. Review highlights. The Mini 3 continues to set the standard for compact camera drones. It delivers smooth cinematic footage, excellent low-light performance, intuitive controls, and one of the most reliable flight experiences available. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, travel content, or capturing family memories, it consistently performs at a professional level. Pros: outstanding 4K HDR video quality, up to 114 minutes of combined flight time, vertical shooting for social media, industry-leading flight stability, reliable 10 km video transmission, excellent for beginners and experienced pilots alike. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing camera quality, flight performance, stabilization, battery life, intelligent features, portability, and overall reliability, the DJI Mini 3 Fly More is the best camera drone of 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and best deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.